Hello guys, welcome back to Food Crunch with Phyllis, and as usual, you know my name. Anyway, today we are going to North. Yebedi TZ, Yebedi Diehuo, and I said TUOZAAFI, aka Saturn. I may can't the northern name actually, so unima. Anyway, so this video is going to be in 3 parts, okay? The first part is how I make my Diehuo stew. The second part is the soup, the ayoyo soup. And the third part is how I make the Diehuo itself. So stay tuned and watch all the videos so that you know how easy it is to actually make TZ. It's very easy. Make yours at home. And memo be am brofo so ate now betimi aye. So the first step is to get your protein ready, okay? So I have some towel, pork, and some goat's meat here. I also have smoked mackerel, aka Ghana salmon, and I have fresh mackerel too. So with the fresh mackerel, I'm going to marinate in salt solution and then fry it. And then with the pork and the goats and the towel or the intestines, I'm going to season it with some onions, okay? To get a very nice flavor, you need onions. So there's onion, there's ginger, there's garlic, okay? And there's some salt to taste. So these are ingredients to cook our meat. And say me de enam no ebegu bowl ne mo ho na me de me season egu ho enti season no enam aka no jene no opa betimi ayam but me pen say ye twitwa na nkete say ensu ye garlic and ginger we ana me de nchine kakra enso egu ho. My meat is ready, so I'm going to remove this and fry in either palm oil or any oil of my choice, okay? Then for the stock, I'm going to pour it into the stew. We are on our stew. TUOZAAFI, 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 and one stew, no? So you have to make your stew very tasty and delicious. We have onion, which has been blended. We have some sliced onions, pepper, tomato puree, homemade, okay? You can use the fresh tomatoes to do this. And we have some stinking fish or fermented fish and palm oil. You can substitute the palm oil with any oil of your choice if you do not eat palm oil, okay? But for TUOZAAFI dear, it is all palm oil. So let's dive into our method. So first of all, you add your palm oil and then you add some sliced onions, okay? Let this cook for some time on high heat. When you realize it has started frying, just add your fermented fish or stinking fish to it. And now let the stinking fish cook very well. A better tea, why we are at waso. You see, I didn't make it burn, so don't make yours burn. I'm going to add pepper to it. And also onions, okay? Blended onions. Make sure there's a lot of onions because the onions are going to make your stew very delicious. Now stir it up and leave it for it to cook for a while, okay? So that the water will be evaporated. This has been cooking for 10 minutes. So now it's ready. You can see that majority of the water is gone. So we add our tomato puree into our onions. Okay. This has been cooking for 10 minutes. I think it's about time. All right, so the next step is to add mackerel, okay, or Ghana salmon. I like to use the head because it gives it a very nice flavor. If there are kids around, then you would be careful. All right. So I'm going to add the stock from the meat into the stew and then let it simmer for some minutes. Okay, stir it in so that the stock gets into all the right places. This has been cooking for a while. So I have some fried mackerel, and don't add too many protein. The more you add, the more your stew is going to vanish. I don't know how that is done, but trust me, your stew will vanish right now, especially when you add fish head to your stew. All right, so I'm adding the fried pork and fried goat. This has been cooking for about 15 minutes, and looking at it, seeing the oil on the surface of the stew is an indication that the food is ready or almost ready. So we are going to taste it. Even the smell alone, Charlie, this is how I want the texture of the stew. Okay, when it becomes too hard, I mean, all the stew will vanish within a day. Economics. All right, so we have oh my goodness, this is nice. We add the pa. I'm not putting in any salt because the salt content is just perfect for me. So we are done with our TZ stew. Guys, we are done. This is very easy. You can make it no cube. Okay, no artificial flavors, just natural spices. And trust me, your Diehuo is nicer than the Hausa woman's Diehuo. Trust me, it is going to be dope. So make this at home, okay, and share with your loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye.